and welcome back to my shed. Thanks for popping by. I've got a paper shredder today. I've bought it from the online liquidation site that I've been using, and this one has come in faulty, and a quick look down here shows it's blocked, but it's really heavily blocked. I zoom all the way in there. It's solid. I can't put it out. It feels like it was wet paper and it's gone in, clogged up. There's a load of dust in there, and it's turned to piecrete by the feel of it. It's just solid. So I'm going to have to take it apart and have a look inside from there. And hopefully it hasn't damaged the gears in here. But if they've tried spinning it whilst it's blocked up like that, there's a good chance there's going to be damage to the gear mechanism as well. So for that reason, I won't be testing it any further than this. I'll just have a look, take out these 6 screws and see where we go from there. One more. It's not too dirty in here. It's not as dusty as it could be, so I guess it hasn't had too much use. Okay, so you can see how compact it is in here, and when I try to pull it out, okay, let's speed this up. Okay, that seems to be everything out of there now. So I think I'll put it back together, take the risk, and then test it. Looking down there, it doesn't look like there's anything smashed. So with a bit of luck, it will just go back together and work. Okay, let's just plug it in, see if it lights up. Oh, does it need okay, auto gives me a blue light. It does look like they're moving in there. What we got? A little invoice. So, one sheet. Put it onto water. Right, for some reason, when this comes on, it cuts out OBS on my computer. It just cuts the signal to it. So it did work. It's okay, the safety switch is out now, so I'm quite safe to put my fingers in. But yeah, you can see papers already stuck on here. And this could have been from before, I suppose, because I hadn't rotated the blades, had I? Anyway, I'll clean that out. I'll run a few more pieces of paper through it and keep checking and make sure all the blades are clean. It might be damp paper. That might be what causes that. But then, at least I know now, it doesn't take much to clean it out. So, not the most exciting of videos, but hopefully it just shows that it's not a difficult job to clean these out if they do get jammed up. So anyway, I'll leave it at that. So thank you very much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you the next time I'm in my shed. Bye bye.